The next one can be used especially by a controller who is reviewing, let's say, the total department, right? We have our HR department, we have our sales department, IT department, and so on. Everybody plans their numbers, but then someone, a financial controller, comes and has a review at the total department. And maybe they want to do some adjustment themselves. So we can see now we have the expense accounts at the total, which can be drilled down to different individual departments. And let's assume that our financial controllers would like to do a top level adjustment, and they could do that instead of adjusting each single row, they could do an adjustment in the grid spread where we could adjust the value by 10%, let's say, for example, and we could choose how we would like to adjust the data proportionally, evenly, and so on. And you can see that now the entire, all the rows are adjusted, and we hit save. Another possibility for adjusting the data is maybe we don't want to change this amount, so we could use the lock cell. You can see this little locker in here. And now if we want to readjust the data, let's put 20. Sorry, not in the December, in the year total. Lock cell. Now adjust. Okay. You can see that this data hasn't been changed. It was locked before we did the adjustment. All right. So this is another way of adjusting the data using this grid spread from a total, spreading out to all the months that we are looking to adjust. And at the end, after we finish our planning by evening, we have made some total adjustment, we will be able to see some how they flow over a period of time. We could choose between the legal entities and between the currencies. Similar view is in the vertical menu, where we are able to see different points of view of how our operating expenses are running as percentage of revenue or trends between the months of different departments.